Have you ever wondered if a commander can be held responsible for or crimes committed by their subordinates, even if they did not directly order them or have immediate awareness of the acts? It is a crucial question in international humanitarian law. Imputed knowledge directly links to command accountability by establishing that commanders can be held criminally responsible for violations committed by their subordinates if they either knew or should have known about these violations. This means a commander does not need to have issued a direct order for an unlawful act to be accountable. Their failure to act when they had the means and duty to do so can lead to their prosecution. This principle, known as command responsibility, is a cornerstone of international humanitarian law. It is designed to prevent commanders from escaping accountability by willfully ignoring or remaining deliberately ignorant of their subordinates' unlawful actions. The law differentiates between actual knowledge, where a commander was explicitly aware, and imputed knowledge, which refers to circumstances where a commander possessed information that should have led them to conclude that violations were being committed or were about to be committed. The should have known standard implies a duty of due diligence and oversight from commanders. For commanders, this means more than just reacting to direct reports. It imposes an affirmative obligation to actively supervise their forces, to establish and maintain a system for preventing and punishing violations, and to diligently investigate any information suggesting unlawful conduct. If a commander fails to exercise this authority effectively, and if unlawful acts result, their knowledge can be imputed, making them accountable. The International Criminal Court Statute, specifically Article 28, outlines the conditions for establishing command responsibility for military commanders. It requires that the commander had effective control over the forces, either knew or consciously disregarded information, which clearly indicated that the subordinates were committing or about to commit such crimes, and failed to take all necessary and reasonable measures within their power to prevent the commission of the crimes or to submit the matter to the competent authorities for investigation and prosecution. Ultimately, the concept of imputed knowledge in command accountability ensures that those at the top of the chain of command cannot turn a blind to atrocities. It reinforces the ethical and legal imperative for leaders to maintain strict discipline, prevent violations, and uphold the fundamental principles of humanity, even in the chaos of armed conflict, thereby strengthening accountability and deterring future crimes.